Hello, it's GFA Nico. Disclaimer that this is not a real weapon, but one that is used in airsoft simulations. Together with my friends from OPFOR Armory, we selected some of the highest quality brands and items, so I can enjoy a quality and reliable setup. We need one battery to power the control unit, EPES AIRSOFT Line, Redline Mini SFR Regulator, carbon air tank with pre-installed regulator. We start with the battery installation. First, we need to open the pin. I'm using a Titan lithium-ion battery with 350 mAh capacity at 7.4 volts. This will allow me to take over 10,000 shots before I need to recharge it. I will use a reinforced EPES air line. It provides consistent air transfer and ensures maximum airflow. We connect it to the rifle. We move on to the tank, which is made of carbon. Its size is half a liter. What's special about these bottles is that they are lighter. They contain air of high pressure under 300 bars. It can hold over 2000 shots. On the top there is additional regulator to reduce the bottle pressure to 800 psi. This is the input through which we can fill the bottle. This is the overpressure relief valve, which will burst if the pressure becomes too high. There's also a display to show the pressure. The regulator is installed and tested by the OPFOR Armory service, who also made this cool custom cap for me. Removing it will allow us to install the main regulator for the rifle. Now we will install the regulator, which will reduce the pressure from 800 psi to 180 psi. It will allow us to supply different amounts of air to the engine and accordingly have control over the joules. The only thing we need to do is to screw it on top. At some point you will hear a sound of air and the Redline regulator will show the pressure. We need to screw it another half turn and the pressure in itself won't allow it to unscrew it on its own. connected with a hose, and our system is now powered. To disconnect everything, we start in reverse. I disconnect the hose from the regulator and from the rifle. It's recommended to also unscrew the Redline regulator, so it doesn't stay under high pressure. You see that the force is too hard to unscrew it. The technique we will use is to insert the hose and release the air that exits the system to reduce the pressure and be able to unscrew at this moment. We install it once more to show you how to adjust the power. Now we will adjust with the key. Turn to the right, release more pressure and increase the energy. We turn more to the right and directly see that the pressure increased to 100. Now we turn to the left, expecting the power to decrease. For this to happen, we need to take a shot, and this way you can reach the desired power. In the next video you'll see how to fill your bottle with air at home. This was from me, ciao!